In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Adobe Express. This is a very quick and simple edit, but it's useful when you want your text to stand out more clearly in a design, thumbnail presentation, or social media graphic. In Adobe Express, resizing text the right way helps you make it larger without accidentally distorting the look of the letters, so the final result stays clean and professional. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the design or page where the text already appears, so you can immediately work on the element you want to adjust. If you have multiple text elements in the project, take a moment to identify the exact one you want to change before moving on. That will help you avoid editing the wrong text box. Next, select the text. Once you click on it, you should see the text box become active, along with the resize handles around the edges or corners. This tells you the text is ready to be edited. If you don't see those controls right away, just click directly on the text again until the box is highlighted. Now drag one of the corners of the text box to make the text larger while maintaining its proportions. This is the key part of the process. Using a corner handle allows the text to scale up evenly, which means it gets bigger without becoming awkwardly stretched in just one direction. As you drag, keep an eye on how the text fits within your layout. You want it to be larger and more readable, but still balanced with the rest of your design. If the text starts getting too close to other elements, such as images, shapes, or the edge of the page, just stop and adjust the size until it feels right. A good tip here is to enlarge the text gradually instead of dragging too far all at once. That gives you better control and makes it easier to keep the design looking polished. And that's it. Once you've resized the text, your update is complete. You've successfully made the text larger in Adobe Express while keeping its original proportions intact. This is one of those small techniques that can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your project, especially when clarity and visual impact matter.